Okay, hi people. Today I wanted to publish to you video tutorial when you try to render and for some reasons in viewport you can see your objects. Just have to turn textures on because sometimes Softimage has weird issues when you try to render the scene and you don't see texture. It is possible to fix that because I had similar issue in the past. What you have to do, because at the moment I'm fixing someone's problem with the scene, because someone asked me to fix that issue because he did not see some files were not visible during render time. It should work for mental array and for cycles as well. I will check option for final gather. I don't like mental array, but I just have to check something. Okay, I will get back to you now. When you go to render materials, there is very important option which you have to pay attention on when you work with this application, because you use texture editor, but unfortunately Softimage crashed. I have to pause the scene and I will get back to you. Sorry, my application crashed because sometimes you see textures in viewport, but you may not see in the render. I just want to render to show to you what I mean. But at least I got a very powerful processor. You can see it is possible to fix that. We have to go to texture editor, render materials, and we have to click image texture, and in UV edit there are two options like wrapping. It is important to select it, and you do for image, you double click on image, texture projection, planner edit, wrapping image, and because it is still important to select this, otherwise your texture won't be visible in render. Currently I'm using Cycles render engine within Softimage. What is this? Because it probably doesn't have proper texture. What that texture is? I just have to save the thing. Unfortunately, this application crashed. You repeat after me. Wrapping, very important option. And this person asked me how to fix that problem, and we will render the scene once again. This one doesn't have. Did I click properly? But that one doesn't have any texture projections for some reasons. Or that one we have already checked. That one doesn't have. Okay, that one seems to be okay. So many texture images are here. I just have to select everything. This is why you can't see sometimes your textures in render time. Let's render the scene. I just have to. I will render in 4K resolution. I just wanted to check my temperatures because I'm using processor, not graphics card, to render the scene, and mental array can stress a lot processor. I just have to check temperatures. Now we have been able to render our scene. Oh, it is, well, not too bad. Oh, this is second frame. I don't need second frame. I wonder if this was animated. Okay, someone done animation, so I have to render from frame 326. But I didn't select, I didn't check everything. Make sure you always select this when you texture your object. It is very important. I just have to zoom out a bit. I wonder what kind of texture it is. Someone has forgotten to delete history over R. It is important too because it application has unnecessary history. I just have to check. Someone has forgotten to remove history. We need to delete our history. Oh, our simulation is still working fine. Okay, I want to render the scene once again. I think I would like to check last frame. What frame is this? Scene options. I just have to check format. Scene options. Let me to check something. 252. 252. I just have to check something important. If our textures are still visible even during animation. Okay, this is for one of my customers, actually friends, who asked me to fix that issue. I hope you like my video tutorial and other people. I can't remember if I published that video tutorial before or not. See you guys.